Hi, today we have a new camera, new HX3 NDI camera. So this camera comes with the auto tracking. So we already set, it's just come out of the box. When I face the camera will start to recognize me and it will start to auto track. As you can see that the camera is moving right now. Right? No other settings required. No PDZ control required. Okay, so you can see that it's moving right now. Right? So be here. So I'll be here in front of the computer. Jacob can just stand behind so I can walk past you. Alright, so Jacob is next to me right now and I'm gonna walk past him. Let's see whether the camera is following me. Yes, the camera is following me right now. Right? So you can see that the camera is moving. The audio is looking good. Right? Okay. So this camera is actually very good. It has many new features as well. I think what we do is that we will explain to you a little bit in details in the next video. Thank you.